A foreign business leader has voiced confidence in the Chinese market, saying China's digital economy is expected to deliver new opportunities.
I've been now 10 years in China, and I came here because we saw huge opportunities for growth. The Chinese success model built a lot on exports, producing here, basically the manufacturing house of the world. That also now is complemented by a strong domestic market, of course. And that's also a major shift, right? Because there's a huge so-called middle class from a consumer point of view. COVID crisis over the last 3 years has, of course, brought many uncertainties to consumers. But on the other hand side, we also saw opportunities for new digital developments. That means there's new push into digital healthcare, there's new push into digital supply chains. We will continue to build on innovation in the Chinese markets. We see a huge demand now for cloud products. We also would like to bring more innovation, indigenous innovation here from China into the product so that it can also be used by the rest of the world.